Hi all, good evening and welcome to post-market report analysis of Zebu school, and exactly market has closed and where it is. So Nifty 15810. So for the day it was down, like comparatively from yesterday close to today close seems to be minus 24, and the Bank Nifty closed around 33,815, so 125 points down, and VIX is almost like you can say it as a flat, even considering all the price action when we have opened. So this seems to be like flat, so no build up in the VIX. And if you remember our morning video, what I said was, if I get this zone 16,000 to 1640 zone, I will be jumping into short. So we got an high of 1620, like even I took a shot, but not exactly like my regular quantity, very smaller quantity, but yes. So from there I was expecting, because this is the retest point, I was expecting even when the market fell, it fell and closed below this level also. So now next level to watch is we need to see this level is going to hold or not. So but still, if you ask me, again this is the same drawing which I've been drawing. So if you look at this place, now after all the chart is formed, now you can form and you will say this is the top. But only thing is, if you can understand the price structure which we are talking about during like all our discussions, so seems to be this is the exact top point in terms of structure and the reversal which we could able to see. I won't say I won't able to predict, but I would able to say I would able to identify with risk to reward favorable. Okay, so I cannot say, because I don't look into finding tops and bottoms. What I try to do is try to be with the structure and with the larger market trend and direction, and most probably my risk and reward to be in favor. So even for Bank Nifty we said 34,200 to 34,300, but I said if you are ready to hold till 34,600, because this is the key resistance. So I expect a small dip towards it. So it came, so even if you wanted to see, so almost 500 point fall has come in from exactly this level. So if you see 33,600 to 33,800 is now the earlier resistance level which Bank Nifty was trying to break for last 3-4 attempts. So I expect market to consolidate around this one, and if even this is going to break, because last time when Nifty made 15,930, at that time again this was the top for Bank Nifty, but only thing is now once Nifty made a top but break this zone also, whereas Bank Nifty is just holding on to this one. So this zone is going to be the key level to identify whether market is going to correct or not. So as Nifty market is in downtrend, but whereas in the Bank Nifty market is slightly at the little favorable point, like because this is the last chance for bulls. If this is also gone for Bank Nifty, then again we will go to 33,000 to 32,800. So that is the next level. So hope these levels and these kind of structures were helping, like were more helpful to you guys, because we actually again and again I wanted to reiterate that I do not try to predict the tops and bottoms. I generally look at the price structure. Okay, whenever I am comfortable with the favorable risk reward and in the main trend. Okay, because I have been saying this for last 3-4 days. So market is in sell and rise, but only thing is on which rise you need to sell. That is the only key level you need to concentrate. So even so more than 200 points. So most of my positions, like even I took not bigger positions, because I was expecting 1680, and even I was expecting this because the way the market is moving. But even in the morning report I said today is the Fin Nifty expiry and anything can happen, and even I was preparing myself for let it hit in this direction, then I might be taking my regular positions or shorts I was expecting, because that is the best place to have a medium term trend reversal. So I was expecting that level to add more shorts, but yes, from here I just enjoyed 200 point fall, and both Bank Nifty also I just enjoyed some 400 to 500 point, but I don't trade in future, I trade through only strategies. Okay, so that's it from my side as an update. Maybe let's wait till tomorrow, and because yesterday US market were closed on behalf of holiday in US. So today it might open, but anyhow the US futures been trading. So today's action in US may try to have influence in our market, but thing is even I am not clear about now what needs to be done. So I am expecting for Bank Nifty it can hold this level. If not, if this is going to break, then obviously we are going to, in Nifty we are going to test the support level of 15,700 to 750. So that is hardly another 100 points. So max to max another 100 points. But again below that, if there is going to be a crack, then obviously whatever the price has given a kind of some kind of revival or some kind of confidence to the bulls, that is going to get vanished from the system if this level is again going to be taken out on a daily basis scale. But only Bank Nifty is trying to show some resilience. So we need to see how tomorrow the price action is going to be there, and moreover we need to see the FA and DA part of it. So again looking at today's price action, though seems to be like slightly lower for the day, but looking at where the market has opened with what sentiment market has traded, this seems to be like a more bearish price action. So we are need to see tomorrow's how the market is going to react or how the response for the market will be. So wait till tomorrow and then we may have next 2 to 3 days view. Okay, but only thing is generally we trade only once in a week or max to max 2 or 3 trades in a week, but generally I trade with this kind of favorable risk reward. So for me this week trade is almost over, though I have deployed only smaller capital or quantity, but yes, so within a day I have always already booked my 200 points on whatever it is. So again waiting for one more entry either in this level, or if I get a reversal, like if I get a bounce and if I get a favorable risk reward or a swing point which favoring the short, I might take it again. So that's it from my side as an update. Hope these levels are helpful to you and hope you are enjoying watching all these updates from us. Do join us on tomorrow's market opening report around 9:45 to 10 o'clock. Till then, have a good day.